Hello guys, and welcome to this video tutorial where I'm going to be showing you how to create a giant product in the city effect. You can see how the product looks like here. You can see it's made to be gigantic compared to other structures, and you can see here that this is the original product uploaded. So to create a very similar effect for your product, especially if you run TikTok ads or you want to create a mind-blowing video, this is the best um, app for you. So all you have to do is to go to this website called Higgsfield.ai to create this effect. Once you're here, click on the app section here, scroll and choose the giant product effect here. Now once you click on it, you'll be brought to a page like this. Now the next step will be for you to click on the upload image, or you can drag and drop here, and PNG or GPG formats are the only ones acceptable. Then all you have to do is to hit generate image, but this will create a static image, and you want to create a video, so click on video if this is what you want. It costs about 19 credits, which you would get upon signing in, even if you use it or when you use a free account. Now to get other effects, you can go on and select a premium plan, but for this particular effect it costs 19 credits, and you can just create an account and use this effect. So once you're done, click on generate video, and within minutes your video will be created to be similar to this, and then you can use it for your video ads and for your video. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this particular effect in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe to our channel as we are actively trying to grow.